REPROCELL is a global biotechnology company specializing in life sciences research and regenerative medicine solutions. We deliver cutting-edge stem cell solutions that empower researchers to advance breakthroughs in stem cell research, drug development, and disease modeling. Stem cells are unique cells capable of developing into different specialized cell types in the body. They have the remarkable ability to self-renew and differentiate, making them essential for studying development, disease, and advancing regenerative therapies. Our comprehensive range of tools supports the StemRNA third-generation reprogramming kit for the generation of induced pluripotent stem cells and differentiation of induced pluripotent stem cells and mesenchymal stem cells into specific cell types. With REPROCELL's wide range of products, achieving precise differentiation for drug testing, tissue engineering, and regenerative medicine has never been easier. REPROCELL also offers the ABLE Biott Bioreactor, a cutting-edge system for scalable, high-efficiency stem cell culture. With precise control over environmental conditions, it ensures optimal cell growth and expansion, perfect for large-scale production and advanced research applications. Apart from traditional 2D culture systems, REPROCELL also excels in 3D culture technology, offering Alvetex, a powerful platform that creates more realistic environments for cell growth. By mimicking human tissue structures, Alvetex enhances drug testing and disease modeling, providing more accurate and predictive results. REPROCELL offers a full spectrum of stem cell solutions, from iPSCs and MSCs to reprogramming kits, culture media, small molecules, Alvetex, and the ABLE Biott Bioreactor, all designed to accelerate your research.